Welcome! In front of me I have RoHS Smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called the display. And once you find it, tap on it. And here we have the screen timeout option, tap on it. As you can see, here we have the list of durations, and we have only 5 and 10 seconds. So select the one you like, and then press the upper button to go back to watch face. And now my screen should turn off automatically after 10 seconds of inactivity. So it should be right around now, I would say. As you can see, it's dimming now, and it should be turned off completely soon, like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.